Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add an icon in Notion. Simply open your Notion app and look at the private sections and select the page that you want to add an icon. And if you are on desktop, mouse over of the title and you can see this add icon option, simply tap on here. And here you can see three options: emojis, icons and upload. You can select any of them and choose any photos. So that's it. You can see we have added an icon in our page, or you can always change this option. If you simply tap on this icon option, you will find out these three options again, and if you just simply tap on this remove option, your icon will be removed from here, simply just like this. So that's the process. Hope this video find to help you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us.